Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today's challenge is... I'm not going to tell you where I am. No, I'm going to tell you. Look, I'm back at St Cyrus again, but not for the whale this time. I'm going to try and get underneath the Kaims of Mather. So way down the bottom of the beach, under the waterfall and along. Yeah, sorry, we've got to time it with the tide because you only get like a half an hour kind of clear, what's the word I'm looking for? You know what I mean? Half an hour to get round past the waterfall, underneath the Kaims of Mather and back before the tide starts coming in. So low tide is due about 20 past 12 today. So we're going to try and time it with that. Wrapped up again today, folks. T-shirt, jumper, jacket, but I've got shorts on. Forever hopeful. Right, this is a very moon-like environment. I'm going to try and work my way through here across the falls. As I said, lots of rock pools and things to get across, but I think I shall hopefully get there. Right, I'm going to come back to the waterfall on the way back. I'm going to just carry on to the Kaims of Mather while I can, while the tide's out. This is the rocky bit you've got to climb across, so this is where you've got boots on. Don't come here in flip-flops or flimsy trainers. I'll switch off just to get closer. This could be a bit of a fail. Got to climb these rocks. I don't think it's going to be possible, they're a bit too steep. Oh dear. Let's maybe get round that way. Let's try and go round into the sea. Well, I might have to do a bit of a jump here to get across this ravine thing. Let's try. Ooh. I can see the Kaims of Mather up there, but how do you get across all these rocks? Right, plan B, folks. I'm going to go back that way because it's just too... I probably could jump down there, but it's just getting back up. I'm going to have to try and go round, I think, and right along that way. This is harder than I thought, actually. Okay. Right, folks, I think I'm going to have to abandon this. It's going to be a fail. Just because it's just too far to climb over. Just too many pools of water. Never mind. That's as far as we're going to get. But the thing is, you're always going to get a few fails. You know, if you don't try, you don't get. So this one's going to be down as a bang, fail. But at least we've been actually to the Kaims. Myself and Jag went along the top there on our epic live YouTube, Facebook adventure. Right, back to the waterfall. I wonder if I can get maybe up on top. Probably not. back on the beach, and indeed I guessed right, folks, the tide is now fully out. I don't know if you can see, but up there, that is where we spent many an hour last month trying to watch the whale. That's the actual car park and the bit you sit to watch the whale. Looks like there's maybe a couple of people up there today. I'm still looking though, still looking for the whale. Disaster, but I've walked for miles right along the beside the beach, so I've come to like an end, and it's like I'm stuck on an island. So I'm going to try to jump across or take my shoes and socks off because it's quite deep. Damn it! I think there's going to have to be shoes and socks. Yeah, so shoes and socks job, folks. Damn, right, hang on a second. I jumped. I jumped. And again, 2 jumps. Right, done. Right, everybody, I've now switched coasts. Well, not coast, bays, I think. And I'm now down in Boddin. Just fed my favourite horse there, gave him some mince. Pure loved it. So I'm just down for a quick dolphin watch down here. Going to sit just around a little bit down here. So I hope all our friends in America are doing okay with these hurricanes. I know there's 1 or 2 people in Florida that watch. Can and Brian, I hope it's not reached you. This Irma hurricane looks pretty devastating. We've got our own little storm coming in tonight. Storm Eileen is on its way. It's meant to hit us tonight and tomorrow morning. Obviously not as anywhere near as bad as Irma, and is it Jose the one that's behind it? But yeah, it's going to get very windy tonight. So hopefully it's not too bad. But I hope you're all safe in America, everybody. Folks, much excitement. I have seen fins. Now, I'm positive it's the whale, but it can't be. The whale can't be around here in Boddin. I definitely saw what we saw a few weeks ago across there in St Cyrus, like, you know, the big black thing coming up, but it can't be the whale around here, surely. And if it's dolphins, they normally come up and down all the time, so I don't know what it was, because it's just disappeared again. It was very bizarre. I'm going to keep an eye on the water. I'll get back to you. Right. I'm heading back. I definitely saw something, but nothing appeared again, so I don't know. Maybe I was just seeing things, maybe it was just some seabirds, but yeah, I spent about an hour there just watching the seas. It's so relaxing watching the seabirds, diving for fish and that kind of thing. So anyway, it's 4:30. Been out since 10:30. I suppose I better kind of head back. That's it. So thanks for watching, folks. Hope it wasn't too boring for you, and hopefully we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.